welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So if you're new to my channel, my name is Jahdebeaute. How you doing? I am a mommy, stay-home mom, and I film vlogs try to do a video every single day, and I basically just do a lot of videos of mom stuff, reviews about anything. But yeah, if you want to know and watch my videos, click the cousin button down below, turn on the notification button so you're notified when I upload. So let's get on with the video. So today's video is basically I'm going to review and tell you guys about this. This is the Baby Organics foaming dish soap, or foaming dish and bottle soap. It's fragrant free, plant-based cleaning power, non-allergenic, non-irritating, pediatrician and dermatologist recommended. Basically no dyes or no fragrance, and it looks like this. And I got this bottle because I thought, you know, I don't have Dawn soap and I don't use Dawn soap, and I thought what do you call the soap detergent I use has like a fragrance smell, and I thought it would, and also red is not really safe for baby. Dawn soap is a really good alternative, but Dawn soap is kind of pricey for where I'm at, and I could have used it, but I just wanted to give this a try, and this is amazing. So it looks like this. It's really awesome, and you can also use it as a dishwasher or washing dishes. At least when you like squirt it out, I'll roll a clip right here. So I'll roll a B-roll clip. So basically when you check it, as you can see, when you like squirt it out, it's like a foaming, like a little foam, and basically it just washes the bottles really easily. It doesn't really have a really smell, but it does smell like a little bit, but not as strong as it normally. Not really like a really strong fragrance smell, just like a small, I would say, not really a kind of smell, but you can sort of smell like a, I don't know how to explain the smell, but it's really, really amazing, and I really love this. And this is super, super amazing. And basically I washed bottles today, and as you saw the B-roll, and it's really, really awesome. I think it's a really, really good lifesaver. I think it is pricey. You probably can find it in the baby section, and it's super amazing. And it's just really good to wash the bottles, and I love it so much. And I just think that it cleans the bottles really well, and it does the work done. Especially you have to like scrub it. So what I like to do is I like to squirt it in the bottle, put like little hot warm water, and then let it soak a little bit. And then once it lets soak, and then it's done. Also, another tip that I also use is basically, this is like a bottle tip too. Another tip that I use for cleaning bottles is basically I get like a bucket, a white bucket, as you saw in my B-roll. I got a white bucket, and I form a little squirt, like maybe like 4 or 5 pumps in there, and then you let warm water soak in there, and you soak it for at least maybe like a day or two. Not a day or two, but like maybe like the whole day. So for example, I squirt it before I left in the morning, I came back in the morning, and then I basically squirt some more and just whoosh around it, and then basically take the bottle brush and just, you know, do that. And yeah, so really awesome. And you're probably wondering, hey Jaw, why are you normally filming and stuff? Well, because today husband is day off. We just came from grocery shopping, so husband's day off today, and baby is sleeping in her little thing, and husband's there, so it's all good. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a lot of filming as much as I can. So yeah, that's basically today's video. Mahalo no aloha oi. Thank you guys so much for understanding. So yeah, if you like this video, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. I have amazing videos coming up, and I'm probably sure a bunch of baby haul stuff and a lot of amazing things. As you can see, I'm also the reason why there's gonna last a baby haul is because fall. Oh my god, this gnats! I hate these gnats. They're not gnats, but they're fruit flies. And the whole thing I don't like about summer is fruit flies. But basically, fall is coming up because when I was driving on the way on a day with my husband, the leaves are trying to. My pigeon is coming out, guys. Okay, the leaves are trying to change color already. Like they're changing color already, and it's kind of sort of getting a little colder. So I believe next month, sometime in the end of September, fall season like literally over here, so it's gonna start to get a little bit chilly. So basically I'm trying to buy a lot of winter items. Normally right now they're not a lot of winter items because normally they're they're like kind of selling out their summer clothes as for right now, and so they're not, where the winter stuff is not really quite out yet. So I don't really know how they're gonna do in the baby section. Normally I think it's just all season all around the baby section, but I'll figure something out. But anyways, so yeah, and then also I have like a lot, since baby's developing, we are getting her a lot of other stuff. So I'm probably gonna go shopping again tomorrow with another vlog this time for sure. So anyways, I don't know, tomorrow Wednesday, so whenever I upload, I probably upload this video probably tomorrow or Thursday, so stay tuned for that. Until then, mahalo inoa, aloha oi, before I really talk long, because I tend to really talk long in front of the camera. So mahalo inoa, aloha oi, catch you guys on the next wave. Shoots, because I know OHANA. Stay forever. Romeo, Romeo, Romeo. Don't fall asleep. You gotta